Hi everyone, on today's road trip we're going to look at a 1923 Ace XP3 with the sidecar. This is a pretty neat little motorcycle. I think you're going to like this if you're into motorcycles. Check out that logo, Ace, behind the shifter there. I gotta be honest, I don't know a lot about motorcycles, but I still like them. Pretty neat. Look at the sidecar here. It's like a tube. You just sit here, kind of tuck your legs up in there. I guess you sit on that pad and hold on. No suspension on that sidecar. Ace Flex. Check out the mechanism there. You turn the grip and it spins that. Very neat little bike. Look at that motor, all the mechanics. Tell me what you think. If you know what you're looking at, tell us what we're looking at. Neat little seat. Can't believe how basic that sidecar is. Look up in there. It's like a sack and a rope. I guess you hold on to the rope. So tell me what you think. If you like this bike, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely leave your comments about this bike. Let us know what you think, and we'll catch you next time.